Hi there, are you ready for a tiny tidy? Let's do it. Good morning. Let's put some things away. My shoes from the other night. It's been downstairs in our laundry room for a while. My belt needs to be put away. My new jeans I found on clearance for only 21 bucks. Grab those. Let me just hang these up because I'm only going to keep like maybe these, and then those I think I might go ahead and declutter. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do another decluttering video here shortly. So make sure you guys click on that bell so you don't miss it. I'm Dee, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My morning routine tidy is really almost a tiny tidy at times. You never know what you're going to get in the beginning of the day. Watching my friend Karen on my TV, this made her mom for some extra motivation and support. Thanks, Karen. I had a few things in our living room to put away, like dishes, clearing off my kitchen counter, and putting away this disgusting water of flowers. Hey, this video is a collaboration with my friend Sunday Dawn over at the Helpful Home, who hosts Tiny Tidy Tuesdays every week. You can check out the weekly playlist that she puts out on her channel in my description box below. Hey, and also shout out to hashtag Team Tiny Tidy. Ta-da! I actually did laundry, so I know I don't have anything to do in laundry. Wow, that rarely ever happens. This right here is my every single day. You know, a scene from like Groundhog Day movie. Take out the coffee creamer and sweetener and then put away the coffee creamer and sweetener. And of course, a classic Dee moment right there where I found another glass after the fact that I already started the dishwasher. Oh, hate it when that happens, don't you? It's like we really need to scan with our x-ray visions, or if they like created some type of like night goggles to find those missing cups and dishes. Hey, any engineers watching to make that happen on here? Let's talk. Just kidding. My husband brought home those long stem red roses for our wedding anniversary. Gorgeous, but these white ones, not so much. Those were the ones that I bought myself. Oh yeah, I'm that woman who buys herself some flowers when I feel like it. How many of you do the same thing? Plus, it just makes your house look beautiful, makes your happy place happy, right? It literally cracks me up at times. When I really pay attention to myself. I just performed a tiny tidy just to make a tiny mess back onto my counter. Well, look at that. Hey, let me know if you do tiny tidy mornings like this yourself. This is pretty much my mornings before I put on my caregiver hat and go on with my daily happenings. Hey, don't forget to watch the playlist below, and thank you so much for watching. Until the next one.